Right, so the compressor's taken an awful long time to build up to pressure, so I'm going to take the head off it and see if there's a split in the gasket. The gasket lifted with the head there, but you can see that it's actually gone in between the inlet and the exhaust side, so I'll take that off and get a new gasket made up. And then we'll get it put back together and make some air again. There it goes. Right, so here's the head gasket with a split in it. Got a new head gasket here. Doesn't have to be brand specific. This one's Velveeta's, but whatever you've got in your recycling box will do the trick. Put this on, cut it down to size, and then we'll go around it and knock it with a hammer just around the edge, and that'll cut the perimeters. So the inlet side done, just get the exhaust side chopped round and that'll be it. Don't have to be too fussy about the outside, it's the edge round the inside that's important, so take any extra corners off and that'll be us. Now, ready to get bolted back up. Right, so I have thought about the idea of not putting on a paper gasket this time. I've, in the last 10 years probably, this is the third gasket I think I've put on. So 3 years service life for a gasket that takes a few minutes to make, I didn't think it was a big deal. Maybe some of you don't use one and you just put on Hylamar instead. If you leave a comment to say either way, then in 3 years time when this goes again I can maybe do something different. Right, so the wishful thinking of it, sealing without a gasket on the exhaust face has failed. So now just making a new gasket for here. So that answers my question on whether it's worth making a gasket for the actual head itself, and that'll be a yes. Otherwise, with a chance it'll blow like it was making up to just over 100 psi, and it just wouldn't make any more pressure. So once again, the Belvita comes to the rescue. Put a bit of Hylamar on with it, just to hold it in place and to make sure that we get a good seal. Second time round. Right, that's trying to overpressurise there, so I'll adjust that back a bit. Always unplug the compressor when you're at that box. Right, that's better, that's just on the 150, so we can tick that job off the list. Hopefully you've learned something. The only thing I'll say is, if you're ever into electrics, always disconnect it from the power supply before you remove any electrical connections. So. Right, so that's the compressor back up and going again. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!